Welcome back to PepTalk SelfTalk, where we explore the power of positive thoughts and self-affirmations. Today, we're delving into the transformative world of mindful affirmations, using positive statements. Affirmations are not just mere words. They have the incredible ability to shape our beliefs, attitudes, and ultimately, our lives. So, let's dive in and discover how mindful affirmations can elevate our self-talk and connect us deeply with our inner strength. 1. Understanding mindful affirmations. At the core, mindful affirmations are positive statements that we repeat to ourselves consciously. They serve as reminders of our inherent worth, capabilities, and the abundant possibilities life has to offer. The key is to choose affirmations that resonate with us on a soul level, aligning with our deepest desires and values. 2. Creating personalized affirmations. Let's create affirmations tailored to your unique journey. Take a moment to reflect on your aspirations and the areas of life you'd like to improve. Craft positive statements that reflect the reality you wish to create. For example, I am confident and capable in all that I do, or I attract positivity and abundance into my life. 3. Practicing mindful affirmations. Now, it's time to put these affirmations into practice. Find a quiet space, take a few deep breaths, and repeat your chosen affirmations with intention and belief. Visualize yourself embodying these affirmations and feel the positive energy they bring. Consistency is key, so make it a daily practice to strengthen the connection with your affirmations. 4. Overcoming resistance. It's natural to encounter resistance when integrating new beliefs. Negative thoughts may try to counter your affirmations. But remember, this is a sign that change is happening. When you notice resistance, don't fight it. Instead, acknowledge the fear or doubt and gently return to your positive statements. Over time, your mind will embrace these affirmations as your truth. 5. Amplifying affirmations with gratitude. Combine the power of affirmations with the magic of gratitude. After repeating your affirmations, take a moment to express gratitude for the things you already have and the person you're becoming. Gratitude amplifies the positive energy within and sets the stage for even greater abundance in your life. 6. Living affirmations in action. Mindful affirmations aren't just about words, they inspire actions too. Take inspired steps towards your goals and dreams. Use your affirmations as a guiding light in your decision-making process. Let your positive self-talk empower you to embrace opportunities and overcome challenges. As we wrap up today's empowering episode, remember that your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. By mindfully using positive affirmations, you can rewrite the narrative of your life and connect deeply with the incredible potential within you. If you found value in this talk, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Let's spread the magic of mindful affirmations far and wide. You are deserving of love, success, and happiness. Embrace the power of mindful affirmations, and watch your life blossom into something truly magnificent. This is PepTalk SelfTalk, signing off with love and positivity.